Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my mini savings video. I have my 6 saving challenges and my $50 here. How are you guys doing? Just gonna mix these fives up in here. And we are saving for our revolving sinking funds. So let me roll my 6-sided die and place 2 bills on which challenge it tells me to. I think we are going to be able to finish maybe 1 or 2 today. 5, no. See, I'm already putting them on the wrong one. Come on, can we get a 4? 6 is taking all the money. Okay, we got a 4 finally. 6, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 5, 1, 6, and last 2 bills, 3. All right, let's stack it up and see how much did each one get. And this one is created by Nessa Budgets. I think I made each popcorn bucket $2, I think, or did I make it just $1? No, I just made them $1. Okay. So today it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. And if you are new here, what I do is, so $12, $13, $14 altogether. At the end of the month, I just take the money that is saved and place it into my revolving sinking funds. And what is a revolving sinking funds? To me, it is just sinking funds that I put money in and is there to take money out when needed. So that is what I use that for. And this is created by Stuff in the Budget. It says $35. And today got 1, 2, 3, $4. And do we have a 4? We do. We have a 4 here. Perfect. So all together, it got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20. Perfect. Next, we have Party Planner Papery. And this cute one got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. So $10, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So all together, it got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, $22. And I'm still trying to decide next month if I'm going to continue my mini savings or not. I'll say put it on pause. And I want to start, I did get the Build a Bank by Income Base, and I really want to like she having a lock-in challenge, and I really wants to lock in. And I'm trying to decide if I want to put this on pause and just focus on that for a while, but I'm still trying to decide. So stay tuned. So this one is created by Mystic Budget. Says $32, and it only need $1. So let's take out $1, but it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. So take out this $1, color this one in, and we should have 32. So we got 20, 25, 30, 1, 2. So we got is $32. Get a paper clip. All right, $32. Let's put that there. And let's go. And we just put this as like a little bank to see. Ooh, this one only need a couple dollars. Oh, and it got some big bucks. And this is just, if I can complete any other challenges, I would use this bank over here. So this is created by Bookish Mama Budgets. Each one of these, she has as $1, but I times 2, so making each of these $2. So we only need 2, 4, 6, and it got 5, 10, 11, 12. So let's take out $6. And let's color these in. So I should have $24. So we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Yes, $24. Let me go ahead and put that on here, 24. And then for the Build-A-Bank, I was thinking about using that challenge as a for our vacation next year, because we want to take a big vacation. So I'm still like, that's what I'm thinking about using that for, or use it for to help pay off debt even quicker. So I'm still trying to think about the plan. All right, this one is created by Budget with Carly. And I think I just made each one $2, 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's see if we only got $8. I think so. Yes, okay. So each one is $2. And we got 1, 2, 3, $4. 2, 4. Ooh, I was about to color another one. $4. And all together got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So let's see how much money we got over here. We got a lot. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $13. So let's see. What shall we do, gems? Say 2, 4, 6, 8. We could finish that one. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. How much should I say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $13. 8. So I can finish this one. Do one on here. One on here. I don't know, gems. Should you just roll a 4-sided die? I think that's what we should do. Get my 4-sided die. Let's do something. All right. Let's roll. So that's 2, 4. Oh no, I just dropped it. Hold on, gems. All right. That's 4, 4, 4. Oh wow. Come on. 4. So we just finished 4, and I got $1 left, and that goes to 2. Wow. So let's see. All right, let's see what Miss Candy gets. Stuffing budget. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do we have 2 5s? No. So we got 5. We can do a 5, 3, and 2. So let's do 5, 8, 10. So this one just needs 3, and that's it? Yeah, I think that's it. All right, not going to recount that. Just going to put that back in there. All right, and then this one was Party Planner Papery. Well, I'm going to put 2 in here. Oh, let me get orange. So put this 2 in here. And you do that like that. And then we put the $1 into the other challenge. That only $1. Get in there. This one. Says this one is only $1. Perfect. I mean, we could have finished 1 or 2, but let them last a little bit longer. All right. All right, gems, that is it. That was $50 put into my mini savings. I did complete 2 for this month so far, so that is great. Oh, thanks again, everyone, for the love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.